Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply go to your Phantom Wallet. Now once you will open your Phantom Wallet, you will have your balance right over here. Now in order to withdraw from Phantom Wallet, all you have to do is just simply click on first send. Now choose the crypto that you want to send from Phantom Wallet. Now right over here, just simply enter the amount that you want to send. And after that, you have to enter address. Now, in order to get the address, you have to just simply open your wallet or wherever you're going to transfer the funds. For example, you can use Binance, a crypto wallet. So once you will log into your Binance account, all you have to do is just simply go to the deposit option. Click on deposit crypto right over here. Then choose the coin that you're going to send or the crypto that you're trying to withdraw. This is going to be Solana. Choose the network. Now make sure to choose the proper network. If you choose a wrong network, you will lose your crypto forever. So just simply keep that in mind. After that, just click on the copy option right over here and open your Phantom Wallet again. Click on send, click on the crypto, paste the address right over here, enter your desired amount that you would like to send, and then all you have to do is just simply click on next, then just simply click on send. Once you will do that, you will receive your crypto right away in Binance. It might take a few minutes, so just simply be patient, and after a few minutes you will be able to see your crypto right over here. Now in order to withdraw your crypto for money, in order to do that, what you have to do is first you have to transfer your Solana into USDT. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just simply click on the trade option over here, then click on convert. Then in order to convert, all you have to do is just simply choose Solana at the very top right over here and choose USDT at the bottom. Then convert whatever balance you have in Solana to USDT by choosing this option. Once everything is converted into USDT, after that what you have to do is you have to just simply go to the P2P option right over here under trade and make sure that the balance that you have on USDT, it should be in funding wallet. If it is not in funding wallet, you have to transfer all the balance into the funding wallet. So in order to do that, first just simply see where exactly your money is, in a spot wallet or in the funding wallet. Now in order to know that, just simply click on this small drop down box over here and you will be able to see where exactly your crypto is in funding or spot. So as you can see, the Solana is in spot. Make sure that once it is converted into USDT, it should be in funding wallet. Now in order to switch it, all you have to do is just simply go to the transfer option and over here just simply choose from fiat and spot to funding. As you can see, Solana is automatically selected because it is in spot. Now choose your desired amount over here and then click on confirm. Once you do that, the transfer will be complete and the funds will be inside the funding wallet, as you can see right over here. Now once your USDT is in funding wallet, just simply go to the trade, then P2P. After that, you have to choose sell. Then your currency and all the important details will be automatically selected. All you have to do is just simply choose USDT at the top, then choose from one of the advertisers over here. I'm going to click on sell USDT. Now once you will do that, your bank account will automatically be selected over here. If you have not added your bank account just yet, you can go to your account settings right over here in the settings option and add your bank account over there. Then all you have to do is just click on sell USDT, and once the transaction will be completed, it will take some time. You will get your funds inside your bank account. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.